This is the easiest way to make money online. Step 1. Open your email app. Step 2. Click the link in the email. That's it. That's all you have to do to make money with this method that I'll show you in this video. Wouldn't it be nice if all you had to do to make money is just read emails? I mean, if you're like me, then you probably already receive hundreds of emails every single day which you do not get paid for. All that is about to change in a moment when I show you how you could get paid to literally just read emails. Sounds unbelievable? Well, this method is not going to make you rich. You won't be able to walk to a car dealership tomorrow morning and buy a new Lamborghini with this method, but you'll be able to make some money on the side which you can then use on anything you want. This method works worldwide, so it doesn't really matter if you're from Brazil, New Zealand, Indonesia, Pakistan, Nigeria, or even India. You can utilize this method and start making money with it today. Another thing that makes this method unique is that you don't need expensive equipment to start. You can start with just your laptop or your phone. You really just need to have an internet connection to begin. Let me get on my laptop and show you what I'm talking about. The name of the website we'll be using is called Volutic. I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, but it's VOLUTIC. That's Volutic in my opinion. So we'll be using this website to earn the money, like I said earlier. So before we begin this video properly, I just wanted to make sure that you understand that this video is not scripted, so I might make some mistakes while recording the video, but it's purely unintentional. So once you get to this website, the first thing you want to do is click on register, and then this form will show up. And then once you're here, you can fill in the form and click register, but I already did, and it should bring you here. And here you will see that they're asking you to add this email to your contact list, and if you don't add this email to your contact list, then there's a good chance that the email they send you might go to your spam box, and if they go to your spam box, then it means that you wouldn't be making money since they send you the task via email. So if you read here, then the next thing you want to do is go to your email and click on the confirmation link. So you just click on this. This is the activation link they sent me, so you just click on it, and it should have, that's it. So it should activate your account, and then you'll be able to log in right here and click on login. Then it says verification code has been sent to your email address. It will be valid for 60 minutes. Enter the code to continue. So you can go back to your email and then click on inbox. So you can see that after I clicked on the activation link, they sent me 2 emails. One is welcoming me to the platform, and then the other one is Volutic security login code, which is what I need right now. So it's 3. Anyway, let me just copy it. And then just paste it here and click on confirm. Then it logs you. Then this is what your account is going to look like. And then once you they will send you email every single day. They will send you email, and in that email you will see a link, and it's basically an advert that you're gonna click on and read what they have to say. It's an email they sent you. So anytime you click, then your balance is gonna keep on increasing. So it's gonna keep going up and up and up and up. So once your balance reaches 0.3, I believe, right? So you'll be able to click on withdraw right here, and then you'll be able to withdraw to your payee account. And then you see minimum withdrawal is 0.2, and then the maximum is $25. So it's not very hard to make money and make a withdrawal. You don't need a lot of money to make withdrawal with this platform, which is also good, but they charge a 1.5% fee, and then but you're gonna need a payee account because they don't let you withdraw through PayPal, which is disappointing really. But it's not hard to create a payee account. Payer. I don't know how to say this anyway. So you go and create your Payeer account, whatever this thing is called. So you create your account, and then you come back here, and then you say how much money you want to withdraw. And this is saying that I have nothing in this account because I just created this account just recently. But I have tested this platform before, and they don't pay that much money, but they pay you nonetheless. So you'll be able to click. It doesn't take a lot of time. You just need to open your email and just tap on that link. You just tap on that link, and then you click on the link, and it takes you to another website. Then once that website logs and loads up, you can close it. It's basically a sales page most of the time, and that's it. That's how you make money. So you would need. All right. So as you can see right here, this this platform actually pays. It works nicely. There are people from every country here, like Iran here, received payment today. 0 point, that's 30 cents. That's this one from Sudan got 41 cents. The American person got 35 cents. Indian got 20 cents. This person in Venezuela got $7. And that's what I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you can make money, but it's not gonna be a lot of money. It's gonna be little money, but at the, in the end, it's still money, right? Doesn't take anything from you. You just need to register on this app, and then every day they send you, I don't know, 3 to 4 emails, and then you click on it, and then make those cents, and those cents will eventually add up to become something. Something, if you've never made money online, I recommend this. This should be what you should be trying right now to make your first dollar online. This guy from the Russian Federation, this person got $18 through Payeer. I don't know what this is supposed to be called. It seems like Russians know how to do this very well. You see, this Russian got 25 dollars. I don't know how long it took this person to make $25, but maybe it took 2 weeks. I don't know. So if you got $25 in 2 weeks, it's not bad, right? So you can have multiple accounts if you have multiple Payeer accounts. So you can have anybody in your household do this, and you keep making money. So this is the method that I wanted to show you. It's legit. It works from everywhere. Since you see another Russian Federation person, $20. That's money that you can use to take yourself out, have a good time. You know what I mean? So that's it. So if you like this kind of contents, if you want to see me put out contents like this where I show you ways to make money, even better money than this, because this is just some pocket change. But if you want to see more serious videos where I discuss how to make serious money, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you get notified when I post new videos, and support this channel by liking this. Help me promote this video. I mean, by liking this video, and I guess I'll see you in the next video.